Yeah.
So RNAV 23, Marstown. Runway in sight.
All right, we've got the runway. We're going to go flaps 20 now.
Okay. And now just to get a little ahead on the discussion, once you're assured of a landing, or reasonably assured, in other words, runway's clear, you have a clearance.
500.
First, take off the autopilot before you put in the last flaps.
All right.
That would go ahead then. And now you're more or less ready to land. And now you've got power to take away, not immediately and not quickly, but the point here is we want to cross that threshold, beginning the flare at 90 knots. So take your time, keep the wings level, use the crab to keep the center line. Looking good. Show us slightly left of center and holding. Nice. Looking good. Take your time. No hurry. Thumb on the trim. And use trim to help you with the flare so you don't overdo the flare. Right there. Stop the descent. Right. Hold it off. Right there. Nose down. Back pressure with brakes. And the more you pull back, the more you can push without encumbering anything. And by pulling back, you get, of course, aerodynamic braking. You also put weight on the mains, which makes it all good. Nice job.
Tower 569 Delta, destination is the West Eyes.
Lima Delta, turn right at Bravo and contact runway 34.2.
Right at Bravo and over to ground, 569 Delta, thanks.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.